dignitaries, ladies, not too many of them, and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. And I'm really delighted and happy to be part of this very important event. Norway, and I would say also the Nordic countries, they are ranked as the best country to live in by the United Nations Development Report, based on a number of factors, including high levels of education and income, and combined with long life expectancy, and issues like human rights, women's empowerment, and cultural freedom has all contributed to this very positive image of the Nordic countries. Norway sees India as a continent of opportunities across sectors, including energy, maritime, marine, power sector, infrastructure development, defense, science and technology, and of course, environment protection, and much, much more. In recent years, there has been a substantial growth in economic and commercial relations between the two countries, in oil and gas, shipping and maritime industries, and services sectors. Norwegian companies in India have made major investments in services and marketing and sales. And as you probably know, Norway has one of the biggest pension funds in the world, and we are investing substantially in India. But also on the Indian side, several IT majors like TCS, Infosys, HSL, Larsen & Toubro, Infotech, and Tech Mahindra have increased their presence in Norway. The digital revolution that is taking place very rapidly in the Nordic countries and in Norway are, in fact, done by Indian companies. And that's interesting. What we are doing on smart cities is very much fueled by Indian technology and Indian competence. So you have the competence here, sir. That's for sure. And close to 100 Norwegian companies are already present in India, with 52% of those located in Maharashtra. Going forward, we expect Indo-Norwegian cooperation to extend in sectors including energy, clean technologies, climate change, health, gender, local governance, and culture exchange as well. And we are hoping that smart cities initiatives can boost Norwegian companies to closer work with the aspirations that we are listening to today. And in September this year, many Norwegian companies participated in IFAT India, a leading fair of water, sewage, refuse and recycling in Mumbai. And on December the 6th, Norwegian Embassy, along with Innovation Norway, are hosting a seminar on sustainable green transport at the Norwegian Embassy in Delhi. And some of you may be aware that Oslo, the capital, is recognized as the electric vehicle capital of the globe. Till last year, the market concentration of EVs was 21 cars per 1,000 people, which is 14 times higher than the US. In addition, there are a number of areas like e-waste handling and renewable energy where Norway boasts of its innovations in green tech. It is no wonder that Oslo has been named Europe's green capital. Indicators of being a green city include local transport, biodiversity, air quality, waste management, and noise. Oslo is a green capital not only due to its low carbon footprint of 1.9 tons per capita per year, but also due to the ambitious targets of having a car-free city by 2050. Setting such targets not only requires adequate investments, but also political will, sir, and public engagement. And I think that's quite crucial. The public has to be part of the solution. So it will be our endeavor at the Norwegian Consulate to engage in forums like these to aid green tech in the areas of renewables, electric vehicles, waste handling, and water treatment. And at the Norwegian Consulate, we also aim to facilitate research collaboration between the two countries to provide knowledge exchange and commercialization. Most of the collaboration are made available via the Research Council of Norway, which is the funding mechanism from the Norwegian government. And we have recently invited proposals for bilateral research collaborations within bioeconomy, covering areas of agriculture, biotech, aquaculture, and bioenergy. So in November 2015, Norway reopened its Consulate General in Mumbai. It was a result of the growing recognition of the place Western region holds in India's economic development. The Consulate General in Mumbai facilitates Norwegian business services to other Western Indian states, namely Gujarat and Goa. So after 2 years in operation, we are increasing our reach out beyond Mumbai and Pune to incorporate more events in other parts of Western region. It is therefore a pleasure for me to be here today and see the opportunities that are offered through the interventions that we have been listening to today. So thank you very much for inviting me here today. And I just also want to tell you that I was ambassador to India for 5 years, between 2007 to 2012. So I know this beautiful country very well. And I really look forward to 3 years in Mumbai and more business. Thank you very much. Thank you for inviting me.